How to fix KB5062553 apps related problems in Windows 11 24/2. Hello friends, you might be experiencing problems related to various apps such as Start Menu Experience Host, Search, System Settings, Taskbar, or Explorer. These issues may include Explorer crashes, Start Menu fails to launch, System Settings fails to launch, shellhost.exe crashes, application crashes when initializing XAML views, Explorer running but no taskbar window, other XAML island views fail to initialize. These issues occur due to July 2025 security update KB5062553 installed on your computer. Follow the steps to fix these issues. First of all, you will have to manually register the missing packages. For this, click on Search, type PowerShell, right click on Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Then go to the video description. You will find these PowerShell commands there. Copy the first command, paste into the PowerShell window and hit enter. Then copy the next command, paste into the PowerShell window. Then copy the last command and run this command. Once done, close the PowerShell window. The next step you should follow is run the sample PowerShell script on non-persistent OS installations. For this, again go to the video description. You will find these commands there. You will have to create a batch file using these commands. To create the batch file, right click on desktop, hover over new and select text document. Double click on this newly created text document. Copy the command from the video description. Paste into the text document. Then click on File. Select Save As. Choose a location to save this file. Name this file as you like. The extension will be bat.bat. For save as type, click on text document here and select all files. Click on save. The abc.bat is saved. Right click on this file and select Run as Administrator. The commands are executed. The issue should be solved now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.